Yes! We're doing microwave cake. Great.
We are Schwartz Farts.
Fart! There's no S. But we're gonna microwave. Great. Our little contraption here. So, you can't see through this. Okay. That in there. Okay. And then we're gonna say, we'll put 15. Oh god. I saw some fire in there. Okay, back. And do it.
That's cool. I should like do this for a little bit. Wait. Oh, it's all like
it's all
bubbling.
melted and gooey.
It's like bubbling in there.
Oh,
Ugh.
ew! What?
It's smoking.
Okay. Okay, so this is the aftermath of grapes. It got like it's inside out. It ripped the skin off. That's nasty. I dare you to eat one.
Okay.
Wait.
Is it hot?
Kind of. Here, I'll join in with you. Which one do you want? This is freaking nasty. Oh! 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 Oh!
Tastes like shit.
Oh, it's horrible.
Don't try this at home. Now we know what the warning means. It's nasty.
Oh, it has a really bad aftertaste.
Ugh.
Never again. Oh my gosh. During the next time, we microwave a banana.
Maybe. Oh no, no.
Oh my god, that was... Yeah, don't do this at home. That tastes...
The expression of two 13-year-olds. Yeah, I'm 13. The expression of 13 and 12-and-a-half-year-old.
12 and a quarter.
Anyway, microwaving a grape. Complimentaries to Swash. Now we know what not to do. Thanks, guys. Okay.